So it's going pretty good at the moment. This is all we have left. And some over here. This is simoi fala. It's basically the chamoy powder. That one now. I think it's ling meat. So it's this powder and pineapple and then lemon juice. And that's it. Yummy, yummy snack. Mako dinner for tonight. Ole kalo. Vale supo povi.
And nobody want to do it. You buy the vape and then you have to buy the juice.
Mas faz um pouco mais.
Vamos fazer fiado. Your time. Não, essa forma tá cheia. Mal,
Ano? Uy, is yan bit pa.
Als we voor is het een middelade. Oh, mama, chocolate van. Mama.
Mapal mali, doa po peku eh.
Não boleh determiner lá.
Hi guys, we are going to get my kai, so we can so I can eat
You don't eat the soup, eh?
Well guys, I think we could see you there at McDonald's. Hey mom.
Yeah, we're gonna see you in a bit.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
So
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna have nuggets and a hamburger and sorry, I forgot. And a burger. I only said that. And fries and Coke, I guess.
You're gonna have Coke?
Yeah, I guess.
So we're just here at KFC car park, just so that John can have dinner in peace. But today it's been such an insane day today. We woke up at 5:30, got ready for the market. If you didn't know, we are 2-3 months in business now, and it's basically the Dasha and Daniela's business, but it's taking me and Shane's time as well to help to support them or to run their little business. So it's called Twix and Treats, and they sell sweet cups. So it'll be like sour gummies in a cup. You know those bubble tea cups? Yeah, those cups. And so sour gummies, and then the normal gummies, and then the other cups are the surprise cup. We also sell swirl lollipops, and what else do we sell? Drinks. We sell drinks, and yeah. But it's usually around 11 in the morning that we start to sell out.
Mom, you saw those drinks, those bottles with the treats in it, and that.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the drink.
And the drinks, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we do quite a like our Saturdays are insane. So we basically we went and set up, and then 7:30ish, the girls and I left the market to go to the netball game. Maybe what happened?
When I get dropped,
Yeah, you can pick it up after.
I guess I don't even need it. No,
No, not another one. We had to take Lior to the hospital because his fever had high fever. Like, he had no issues whatsoever in the morning, and then all of a sudden we get home and he's like on fire, like, you know, just hot, high fever. So we gave him Pamel. Oh yeah, you want me to open this?
Yeah. Put it here.
Oh, good boy. Where are your fries?
Oh, there.
Okay,
Okay.
watch out, don't spill the sauce. So came back from, so we spent about three and a half hours at the doctor's, at the hospital. Got his meds, came home, had dinner, and now we're here. So, oh my goodness. But you know what? It's all worth it in the end. I feel like I've been yapping a lot.
I could just move you.
Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here, guys, and if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video. But we will catch you guys tomorrow. See you guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.